Hello! You're gorgeous, my darling.
What's your
Thank you.
name and where you come from?
My name is Vinita Chetri and I am 8 years old and I am from Assam, India.
So, what brought you to Britain's Got Talent?
Because Britain's Got Talent is my dream stage and I want to win it. Yes.
What are you gonna do if you win Britain's Got Talent?
I would like to buy a pink princess house. Yeah,
Who did you bring with you today?
my daddy.
We cannot wait to see what you're gonna do for us. We are ready to be dazzled. Go for it.
Yeah, thank you.
So cute.
Rising up, took my chances, went the distance.
God, she's good, isn't she?
And he's watching us all with the
No way she's eight.
She was tremendous!
Well done, my darling. You have the strength of a tiger and the position of a boa constrictor, like a python on
Yes.
stage.
Yes.
I love the mix of contemporary dance with a kind of Indian touch. So strong, so little, so powerful. Amazing performance. Well done, my darling.
I was literally lost for words. You were doing moves that I've never seen before.
Exactly.
You are sensational. I love you.
You probably can't hear me because everyone's loving you. So proud of you because you smashed that. Well done.
Look, when you got it, you got it. I mean, honestly, there are going to be amazing things ahead of you after this. That was remarkable.
Simon, let's go to votes.
Yes.
It's a yes from me. Massive yes from me.
And yes, oh, my little tiger. Yes.
Well done, well done, well done.
That is a superstar. Incredible. She was incredible. So, Simon, that's exciting.